Dog, Rob Schneider is something else.
I'm talking about Saturday Night Live's Rob Schneider.
Yeah, and like the every Adam Sandler movie Rob Schneider.
Oh, yeah.
I remember when South Park did that parody of them and he was like, Rob Schneider is a carrot. I fucking hate Rob Schneider, dog. What is up, everybody? Starting today's vlog off at the skate park because me and the crew have literally gotten to the point where we just wake up and come here, so didn't really feel the need to record me waking up and looking like an absolute fucking gerbil, so yeah, I just got here about 20 minutes ago. Already cracked open my Arizona because it's hot and I've given up on saving my beverages, so just gonna wait for the crew to get here and then just warm up and skate. And today we got the fucking awesome Stevie Wonder Ray Charles tee and the good old Air Jordan 1s. Fuck clean, yeah, dude. That was clean. Where's the board, young blood? Did you leave it in his van?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, I'm here. So.
What t-shirt is this?
P&H Mining.
What up, boy? What up? My goal today was to do 2 new tricks, and one of them is a flat trick, so I'm gonna try this nollie back heel by the sea ledge. Ah. Alrighty. I said the goal was to do 2 new tricks, not learn, but I'll probably do another one, but yeah, now it's time to work on 50180s. Tried that one for about 20 minutes. Don't want to waste all my battery, so just gonna wait till the homies get here. Actual group chat convo. Not quite leave yet, leaving in 1 minute. That's what I thought. Actually, I'm still in bed. Actually, I'm still in bed.
What did you say? Secure the bag way. No, I'm rocking.
Dude, got a $500 jersey with the tags still on it.
Stock. Here, hold that.
Wait, where is that at? Dude, got a $500 jersey from Goodwill for $10. Come up.
No, I'm rocking.
It's literally a fucking banana.
Secure the bag.
Is it a 25? Is it that small?
Look at this.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Look at this goddamn fingerboard. This literally looks like a banana boat.
I would buy it.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, let's just say. Woo!
What was that? I missed it. I filmed it, but I forgot what it was.
Burial flip feeble.
My name's Brooks Walls, and I like to tuck my shirt in. Fag!
Dang, yellow t-shirt, black jeans, unplanned. I also have yellow t-shirt, black jeans. What a fucking copycat.
Yo, Brooks lucky
Anjay already made a virgin joke, and you just got to the park.
I'm not even a virgin anymore, dude. It's not funny. Did you see the Gosha Adidas stuff?
Looks like a dog penis.
Red Rocket. We call it Red Rocket. Yeah, tight. It's like a water
Dead
balloon.
stock with tags, bro. Suck me dry.
Suck me.
Zach say suck me soft.
Alright, bro. Suck me on soft, man.
Why did you need my tool?
Tighten those and
Tight.
make sure this doesn't fall off.
Oh my god!
It's a fidget spinner.
Oh hell yeah.
I got
Sick
it.
box Lego fingerboard, dude.
Yeah. That's a little good.
Brooks just said to me he does not want to take me to the restaurant he works at because I'm going to fucking spill everything.
You will.
Okay, honestly wouldn't doubt it.
I can give you these hands in the Sendix parking lot. sucks. Brooks, you effing suck. Put it here. Look at these boots. They're expensive.
Landing this fucking trick.
Coach Barnes.
I shot that little 11.
Give me a sip.
I say next, dude, we sesh the, no, not that thing, fuck that. The other fun box.
Let's go, bro.
I'm happy, bright in my afterlife. Slap a wife with a stack of knives. Jack the white out of crackers pipe.
Brooks, are you alive?
Resurrected, come back as Christ. My lungs are black as ice. Asian eyes like a nigga rap for rice. Don't give me.
Oh, fuck.
Doesn't count, needs full extension.
That was full extension, you baby back bitch.
Dude, gas it from here. Don't stop. And
Suck my lip, bro.
zucchini head ass boy.
Hey, you look like fucking Larry from Veggie Tales.
I don't even know what that means.
You've never seen Veggie Tales?
I did when I was.
Boy.
Damn it.
Nope, feet didn't touch.
Shut the fuck up!
Brooks, I will fucking break your neck. Doing good.
Corona head ass boy.
Can I hit your hookah pen?
Crabs in a bucket
Hey,
head
dude,
ass
do you have,
boy.
do you have
Hey, Zach, what's Brooks look like?
Sheen. I live ultra large with my dickhead ass.
Not even, dude. Barely.
Yeah,
Well, at
bro,
least
I'm
let me get
tall.
my
Let's
hair
think of
out
another
so-
thing that's fucking tall to roast him. Oh, you look like a fucking squash. You're tall.
Squashes are short and lumpy.
mantis? Hey, Sheen.
Just a fruit, bro.
It's a bet.
Sheen?
Suck my ass still.
Boy, you got composition books on your feet.
Boy, your toes look like they got beef with each other, boy. Your toes look like they're fighting.
They are, dude.
Your toes look like a damn school
Here's
bus.
the trick. Nice one.
Hey, get in your Mazda 3 and get the fuck out of here.
Thought I broke my shit. Yeah, I did. Oh, it's chipped. I can feel it.
You know what I can feel?
Right there. Would you look at that bad boy? Feel it on the old 3-flip pop, you know what I'm saying?
Everybody hit their best dab. And 1, 2, 3, go.
Hit your dab.
I did. I hit that dab.
Guys, hit your best dab.
Where is my fucking dad? Fuck!
What up, young bloods? Dang, that's a good bump. What up, youngins? Brooks has allowed us to go to Bel Air, so we're getting fucking tacos. What spot are we at?
Blackie and Cack.
Kick out.
Horse cack. Yeah, instant kick out.
Why do you have snowboard boots?
I don't know. What trick?
Hey, please use caution around the security cam.
We just got sauced on, time to leave. We ended up back at Worth Park. Kill me.
That's how we do it out here, folks.
And then there were two. All of our friends fucking hate us, so they left. And Brooks is a fucking spatula and wanted to go home. Yeah, kill me.
Hey, where are you?
You called me, JPEG.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm at Worth, boy.
How long are you gonna be there?
A fat minute, come here.
I bet. I'm gonna give me some KFC first though, cause I'm hungry than a bitch.
Okay, we can go back to the crib after Worth then.
I got you.
All right, peace, dog.
Peace.
Boy, we are in Wisconsin, not New York. Why the hell are you skating those Timbs, boy?
Cause I'm a young rich nigga.
What up, boy?
Is this vlog?
Yeah, this is vlog today. I've been vlogging all day, so.
Bet.
Basically what happened here is that this man behind the camera thrifted this fucking Nautica, and I'm getting the fit right now. Literally popping tags, switching up the entire fit. Bro, you don't have to like, I'm not trying to take off my pants for the vlog. we can end it here, that's straight. Just some slight work, got the vintage Nautica, got the fucking Pharrell shorts, and then we got Raph on my toes. Look at my dusty ass toes real quick. But yeah, we're supposed to go to the beach today, but Brooks is evidently a fucking gourd, so we didn't go.
Lost him. Lost in the sauce. It's out there somewhere. I'm leaving, bro.
Peace, dog. Alrighty, so this motherfucker had a KFC bag and a Taco Bell bag sitting in his seat. And every time I get in his car, he says the same thing. He goes, oh, my bad. Right now.
Please, ice cream.
What you about to get, boy?
Maybe some ice cream.
I'm gonna get the brownie treats. That thing looks dank.
Yo, hola, billionaire, club muchacho, assorted flavors in these gelatos, inspire young minds and stack my nachos with the rock determination of a vato. Run across the border with bricks in his poncho, face like a shot when it's busting a Glock hole. Planning these things till I died when the Holy Father handed me my wings. When I was young, your teacher couldn't stand what we dream, giving me music like drugs in the hand of a fiend. They shoot it up.
We are back at the crib. Lego Star Wars campaign mode is being played on the old GameCube. This boy said he had Indiana Jones, but I'm just gonna assume he's hella trash at this game right now, so he's probably gonna get sauced on low-key.
You ain't got no clout.
He ain't got no juice. So yeah, I'm just gonna play this old fisheye. I'm just gonna play this game here, and oh boy. That was today's vlog. Oh, I fucking can't skip this cutscene. Fuck. So yeah, that was it for today. Peace, boys.
Both presidential just plus and cooped it up. Got more hits in the zip, who wanna know? I can go back in time, you be Judge Ito.